Sources telling NewsNation that the FBI contacted Mexican authorities in connection to the Nancy Guthrie case. It comes as the reward for any information leading to the arrest has spiked yet again. An additional $100,000 donated by an anonymous source yesterday. NewsNation's Jessica Cartelia is live for us once again there in Tucson. So Jessica, authorities now looking at the possibility that Guthrie could have been taken across the border into Mexico, even though the sheriff, it seems to be, is saying otherwise.
Yeah, there's some conflicting words here, as per usual, it seems, in this investigation, Nichole. There seems to be some leads telling us that they may be investigating down across the border, south of the border. A source close to the investigation tells NewsNation the FBI has contacted Mexican authorities in connection with this case. However, the Attorney General of the state of Sonora just released a statement saying that they have not to date received any formal request for collaboration, assistance, or exchange of information. However, this tells us that investigators are casting a wider net and are following leads that take them across the border at some point. You can see on this map, the Guthrie's home here in the Catalina foothills of Tucson is just about 75 miles. That's about an hour-and-a-half drive to the border crossing at Nogales. Arizona sees an average of 8,000 people coming here into the U.S. at that border crossing every day. Strict checks, or I should say, let me specify, all border crossings into Arizona. Strict checks are typically done coming into our country, but it's very easy to travel south into Mexico without needing to be stopped. I want to take a look at another map now. This map of the border wall, you can see there's about a 100-mile stretch without a wall there. So that means that someone who really knows this terrain can cross from Arizona into Mexico without having to go through an official point of entry. It is now 19 days since Guthrie vanished without a trace, and this footage that you see on your screen has been their strongest lead. There are more than 400 members of law enforcement and 11 different agencies working on this case, and now the coordination appears to include Mexican law enforcement partners as well. I should also mention the reward is now $200,000 thanks to an anonymous $100,000 donation in addition to the $100,000 that the FBI is offering. Also of note, Nichole, we know that Nancy Guthrie requires daily medication. We also know that if you cross the border in Nogales, there are several pharmacies where you can purchase prescription drugs without having a prescription. So we checked just to see, we know she has a heart rate monitor, if she needed a heart medication, if they had it down there, and they do, in fact, carry those meds. The Pima County Sheriff, as we know, and the Guthrie family have all said that they believe Nancy Guthrie is still alive.
We hope that is the case. All right, Jessica Cartelia live for us there in Tucson. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.